Hey guys, Nothing Tech is rolling out a stable Android 14 based on Nothing OS 2.5 update to Nothing Phone 2 user. The big changes include new widgets, update to Glyph interface, and more customization options for the home screen and the lock screen. Nothing also adds Glyph process interface for the Google Calendar and update to Glyph time which now work from lock screen. The new widgets option include for a tracking your daily step and an update media player and screen time widget. There a new double tap gesture on the power button which allow you open any feature you like. And finally, Nothing also confirmed that the open beta for Nothing Phone 1 user is starting later this month. So let me know in the comment section below, do you guys get Android 14 with Nothing OS 2.5 update on your Nothing Phone 2? So that's for today video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.